If you feel that your partner doesn't like you anymore, you carry that around with you all day long, and that is painful, and we need to interrupt that and change that permanently for you. I say that word very literally and very seriously, permanently. You'll still have difficulties in life, everybody does, but if you can't share them with each other, that is what creates hell on earth. We have to permanently move from not feeling safe to feeling safe.
What Derek does is that he holds a space for both people to be who they are, and he's really good at slowing the pace down.
I know what it feels like now, and it feels pretty different.
Privately thinking, oh my God, I gotta get out of this relationship, or oh my God, it's gonna end, or oh my God, what am I gonna do, or how do I get back, or da-da-da-da-da. When your brain is not in survival mode, trying to be safe and survive, and oh my God, what's gonna happen, you have so much more capacity.
If your conversations end or it feels bad and you have to go package that away somewhere inside you and store it, it always goes somewhere. And what I hate to see is when it leads to divorce, because it usually does.